Hey, this is Adam Wiggins from the Muse team, and I'm here to show you Muse for Teams, which is an infinite canvas for collaborative thinking. We're building it for small, remote-first creative teams like yours. It can replace some of your Zoom meetings, Slack threads, Notion docs, etc. with collaboration in an inspiring shared workspace that's visual, freeform, and fun. So this is my team's home board. We use it to collect user research, do rough design sketching, plan feature launches, and more. Up in the right here, you can see my avatar, but also that of other colleagues. So for example, Leonard is online currently in this board here doing some design sketching. And you'll notice his avatar also appears over the board. And we think this is a really important detail. First generation remote work tools were sort of lacking a sense of place. So Google Docs, for example, you see people or you're aware of them when you're in the same document, but not beyond that. The Muse workspace is one continuous world, like a video game or like a virtual office. That gives a sense of ambient awareness. And I find that for me, it's knowing what my colleagues are working on. It gives me just energy and inspiration for my own work. So now I'll show you an example scenario here. My team and I have been working on a feature we're getting ready to launch. It's called linked cards. So I'll navigate into that board. Now this contains our shared thinking on this topic. So it starts from user research and design sketches up to the launch plan. Now my colleague Linda and I have been developing ideas for how to tell the story of this feature. Currently we're working on the blog post. And I have a new idea I want to include. So I'll pull that into the shared thinking space. Here we've got a customer that tweeted something basically stating the problem that we're solving with this feature and use this interesting phrase, board multiverse. So I'm going to kind of pull this in here and draw attention to it. And one of the things we believe is that ideas are best developed in a medium that's freeform, even a little messy. So compare, for example, to the back and forth in plain text comments on a shared document or a chat thread. So Muse gives you spatial mixed media canvas. It's got text, ink, videos, links, PDFs, and even tweets. And personally, I find this just a much more creative way to develop ideas together with my colleagues. Now I'm ready to bounce this over to Linda. She's not online now, but another one of our beliefs at Muse is that asynchronous work can be a superpower for remote teams. As a team lead, I know the value of brainstorming sessions, for example, in front of a physical whiteboard or with a tool like Miro. But real-time brainstorming tends to emphasize contributions from the loudest voices. With Muse, we can iterate on an idea over days or even weeks. This asynchronous brainstorming workflow means more thoughtful and diverse contributions, and it means more shared ownership of the finished idea, therefore better execution of the implementation. Okay, I see she's sent her changes back to me. I'll look it over, looks like it's ready to go, so I'll just export this finished idea from Muse into my production tool, in this case, a development environment, so that I can then take it to release on our website. Well, that's just a quick look at how our team uses Muse to collaborate. We're looking for other small creative teams who would like to work this way, so visit museapp.com/teams to join the waitlist.